Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you when does the Google Maps car come. So Google did not have the published schedule, and that is fixed and they do follow it, but we have some information about dates, the range of the dates, and where they want to be and when. This website is called google.com/Street View, as you can see, and we can enter it. Here on this website we have to scroll down till we see not here, let me scroll here. As you can see, we have to scroll till this image of this car and where Google is collecting Street View next. Here we can select our preferred location, for example Ecuador, some city in here, and view districts. Here, as you can see, we have don't really specify dates, but we have months and ranges. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.